What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Simpson Built. I know it's been a little while since I uploaded another video, but I'm actually back at work now. Weekends are my vlogging days, and today's actually Monday. And it's getting ready to storm, but we got a package that came in, and it's a very, very big and very important package. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with you guys. Let's see what we got here. And as you can see, this is where our package come from. All right, so this is what we got in here, and yeah, some packing peanuts. The invoice on that. I know, they're going everywhere, aren't they? Oh boy. Thing right here is a beauty. If I can get it opened up with one hand. Alright, so this is what we had in the box. There's my gasket right there. Hardware for the turbo to bolt up. And right here is our brand new 1320 T3 and T4, which the turbo's T4. 1320 Sidewinder header, a manifold, and it does have a 60mm flange, which we got to get our wastegate. We got a 60mm tall wastegate that we're going to order. Here is our exhaust side up pipe. It's all V-band with the teardrop, 1320 badge as well. Followed behind our wastegate up pipe, V-band as well. 1320 badge, straight to the teardrop. Now that I got these guys sitting right here and unboxed, I'm gonna go ahead and get these old studs right here pulled out, because now we can go ahead and install our new ones. This is right here. Get these guys installed, and then we can move to the next process. It's got the fresh Downstar exhaust studs on. Got the gasket sitting right here, waiting for the manifold to go on. So if I can get that, there we go, stay in place. We got our nuts for after we get the manifold on. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this up. I do not have, I figured the kit would have come with it, but it didn't. I was hoping that would have had the V-band clamps. If I ain't mistaken, that's like a 3-inch and this is a 2. I guess I'll have to order some. I wanted to mock everything up with the up pipe and everything, but I double checked the box and there was nothing in there. So I might try to see if I can find something, even if it's zip tied up, see if I can kind of mock everything up after I get the manifold on, to give you guys an idea of how it's going to sit. Even though the wastegate's not here yet, so I will not be able to mock that up. I'll be able to hold it up in place. Maybe with something else, I might be able to find something around here to hold it up. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and get the manifold installed, and then get our studs in on this side, and then we'll go ahead and get our turbo and get that mounted up as well. I got a gasket here that came with the kit, and I guess I can use this as a spare I got a gasket right here that came with the turbo. So, I got 2 backups. I'm gonna go ahead and probably use this one, considering that it came with the manifold. Even though that one came with the turbo, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the one that came with the manifold and use that other one for a backup.
Let me see what you can do. Let's get it together.
This is McSwap Production.
I had to shut the door because it started pouring down rain. Got it soaked in here. But I got the manifold on, got the turbo hot side bolted up. On the cold side, I will end up having to clock in this, like just a tad bit, probably to put the inlet maybe right here where it's coming down at an angle. Clock it this way a little bit counterclockwise, and then we should be able to clear our shifter cables from there. I did realize that this kit may have possibly been for a lean mount setup. So with the motor actually shifted forward rather than just a standard mounting kit for the mounts and stuff. So I did have a clearance issue right in this area with the up pipe after it goes into a 4-inch right here. It's touching right in this area on the firewall and on the manifold itself. So I'm gonna end up trying to figure out a way for that, and probably end up having, honestly, to kind of knock this in, even though I really don't want to, but clear some room, and then that should be able to slide in. I won't have to hit in much due to the fact that it's barely catching it, and with me kind of knocking that area in just a tad bit, of course I'll end up having to respray the firewall, but it should give me enough clearance to get the manifold exactly where I want it, and then get the up pipe bolted up and be able to clear both the manifold and the firewall itself, and we should be good from there. I really don't want to have to go with the hassle of ordering all new mounts and having this hang motor halfway out again, and it would just be a hassle and it'd be a waste of money, honestly. So I want to try to make this work like so. So it should be pretty much something along the lines of like that. So this should be like eye level, teardrops going with each other. Unless it's more so, I don't know, it might be like that. That'd look more about right. Yeah, so to give you an idea, you got teardrops all on one angle. So it'd be like that. We'll get it figured out though, guys. Ain't nothing gonna stop us. That's just a small little bump. Like I said, it's just a test fit. And as far as manifold wise, it fits pretty good. I'm actually happy with how it looks. It looks great. Finally got the turbo just sitting in there rather than just chilling on top of the trans. But I did run to Lowe's. I had to get a belt for my dryer, come back. I got work. Got to head out probably about 30 minutes or so. So I'll end up finishing this video up after I get back home from work. I really wish it would stop raining so I can open this door. But we did get a couple of things in the mail, and go ahead and open that up with you guys. I had to crack the door. It was too hot in here. Got a little fan running, but that big light right there puts off so much heat. This garage heats up super quick. So I'm not 100% sure what is exactly in this package, but hey, Downstar definitely hooked it up. Huge shout out to Frank over at Downstar. Now, so we got the shirt, got a pair of Downstar socks, got stickers that I've had in my toolbox, got a couple OG Simpson belt wristbands, and the OG Simpson belt sticker. I'm going to be giving this stuff away to you all for absolutely nothing. I will be making a post on my Instagram. I'll go ahead and add that to the bottom of the screen right now. So go ahead and follow my Instagram. And if you are the winner, you will receive that shirt, stickers, 2 wristbands, and a pair of Downstar socks shipped to your front door for absolutely nothing. I'll pay for shipping, I'll cover it, so I won't charge you nothing. It'll be 100% free. Like I said, I'm not making no money off of this. I receive this stuff. I'm giving back to you all for the support for me, and I'm covering shipping. So, like I said, go give them a follow. Go follow both pages. Leave him a comment below, and good luck. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close this video out since we ran into an issue and can't really move any forward with it. And in the next video, we should have it all mocked up and ready to go. We got a couple more things that need to get ordered, and then it'll be on the way. So I can't wait to get these guys installed, and it's going to look great. We're moving one step closer so we can go ahead and finish knocking this list off and get this thing tuned, make some power. So if you all don't care, please hit this like button, leave a comment below, comment anything positive. Keep negative comments to yourself. Everything's just positivity over here on this channel. We're all in this together. We're all making progress. So go ahead, leave a comment, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because you do not want to miss out once we get this thing done and see what kind of power we make. So see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.